Parts are powder coated based on wood species being selected. Ends of material are taped to cover up any sharp edges. Further down the process, this helps to prevent them from popping when put under vacuum. Film is cut to width based on profiles being decorated. The film has the pattern of the selected wood grain species printed onto it. Extrusions are set onto the film and wrapped up. A seam is created to produce an airtight bag. Parts are then transferred onto a table with vacuum heads on each end. The ends of the bag are sealed over the vacuum heads and the air is removed. The film is smoothed out to ensure there are no wrinkles or imperfections in the bag that could transfer to the finished part. A heating probe is attached to the parts to determine when they reach the required metal temperature. Parts are then put into the oven where they are heated to a precise metal temperature for a specific amount of time. Bags have to remain under vacuum during the entire heating process. As parts reach temperature, the ink sublimates onto and into the powder-coated surface. After the prescribed metal temperature is reached, parts are removed and allowed to cool. Air is pumped back into the bags to assist with their removal. After cooling, bags are removed and the wood grain process is complete. The area at each end of the extrusion where the protective tape was applied does not receive the wood grain pattern. Parts are inspected to ensure consistency in the wood grain color and texture. To see all of Linetec's finishing capabilities, visit our website at linetec.com.